Good day, machinery lovers. Get ready to witness the power and efficiency of heavy equipment machines as we dive into this exciting video on Smart Tech. The Wirtgen SP25 Paver is a compact and versatile paving machine that is designed to deliver high-quality results for a range of applications. It is ideally suited for urban areas where space is limited and maneuverability is key. With its small size and maneuverability, the SP25 can navigate through tight spaces and work in areas where larger machines cannot. The milling rotor snowblowers played a crucial role in snow removal on the Corinthian side of the Großglockner High Alpine Road, which is buried under up to 20 meters of snow for about 6 months each year. The snow clearing operation has been a major challenge since the road was opened in 1935. But the introduction of milling rotor snowblowers in 1953 made the process much more efficient and effective. The T282 diesel-electric mining trucks from Becker are renowned for their exceptional payload capacity and impressive performance. These trucks have established themselves as pioneers in the mining industry, capable of transporting up to 400 short tons of material. With a top speed of 64 kilometers per hour, the T282 trucks are designed to efficiently navigate mining sites, ensuring timely transportation of materials. The powerful diesel-electric drive system provides the necessary torque and horsepower to handle heavy loads and challenging terrains, allowing for optimized productivity in mining operations. The John Deere 1050K dozer is a powerful and reliable piece of heavy equipment that is designed to handle even the toughest earth-moving and construction projects. With a range of advanced features and cutting-edge technologies, this dozer is one of the most versatile and productive dozers available on the market today. Italian company Prinoth unveiled the world's first hydrogen-powered snow groomer alongside the lightest electric snow groomer on the market. The hydrogen-powered snow groomer uses fuel cells to convert hydrogen and oxygen into electricity, which then powers the vehicle's electric motors. The vehicle produces zero emissions, with the only byproduct being water vapor. The Wirtgen W50RI is a small but powerful milling machine designed for use in road construction and maintenance projects. With its compact size and advanced features, this machine is an ideal choice for contractors and other professionals who need to quickly and efficiently remove old asphalt or concrete surfaces. The restoration process involved a complete disassembly of the machine, followed by the cleaning, repair, and replacement of all necessary components. One of the largest and most impressive bucket wheel excavators in the world is the Becker 293, also known as the Monster of Lignite. Manufactured by the German company Tagraf, this massive machine stands over 96 meters tall and weighs more than 14,000 tons. The Becker 293 is powered by an electric motor that delivers up to 18,000 horsepower to the machine's massive bucket wheel. Combining the 400-ton Komatsu PC4000 excavator with the world's largest heavy-duty shears, this machine has become a true giant. Renowned for its robust construction, superior quality, and efficient mechanisms, it's used in large-scale decommissioning projects of heavy structures, such as former power plants, industrial facilities, and even various recycling plants. A snow groomer is a self-propelled vehicle on tracks, based on the design of a tractor. This type of transportation is intended for preparing ski trails and mountain snow-covered slopes, transporting people and rescue operations. The movement of the vehicle is provided by wide tracks with spikes, ensuring stability and allowing it to move on snowy mountain slopes. The tracks are over 1 meter wide, exerting little pressure on the snow and providing excellent stability on mountain slopes. The Sunfish Trencher is a highly efficient machine that can dig trenches in various widths and depths. It's designed with a powerful engine that provides ample torque and horsepower, ensuring that the machine can handle tough soil and terrain conditions. The trencher blade is adjustable, allowing operators to customize the depth and width of the trench according to their needs. The Wirtgen W250i is a powerful and versatile cold milling machine manufactured by the Wirtgen Group, a leading global manufacturer of construction equipment. This is specifically designed for efficient and precise milling operations on asphalt and concrete surfaces. The W250i boasts a high-performance engine that delivers exceptional milling power, enabling it to tackle a wide range of milling applications. The drum can be fitted with a variety of cutting tools to match different milling requirements, providing flexibility and versatility for various surface textures and material types. Landpack created a tractor with a huge rotating shaft attached to the rear, weighing from 8 to 12 tons, used to compact the earth. The rotating shaft attached to the rear of the Landpack tractor is known as a sheep's foot roller or a pad foot roller. It's made up of a series of cylindrical or rectangular pads that create a kneading effect on the soil, helping to compact it evenly and efficiently. The Traco Mini Dozer M27, also known as the Mini Loader, is a versatile and efficient machine designed specifically for cleanup operations in a wide range of industrial and infrastructure settings. Its compact size and robust capabilities make it an ideal choice for various applications, including mining, construction, and maintenance projects. One of the primary areas where the Traco Mini Dozer M27 excels is in cleanup operations under conveyor belts in both above-ground and underground mining environments. The Mechalak 11 is perfectly suited as a base for a mower near curbs and ditches. When the machine is not used for seasonal tasks, contractors can utilize it for cable laying, landscaping, agriculture, earthworks, and road construction. Thanks to its unique weight distribution and powerful lifting force, it possesses excellent maneuverability on rough terrain. In summary, it's simply a revolutionary machine. The new RS400 Performance line is a new generation of sweepers developed by Virasen. The machine has a completely renewed design, which was achieved with the use of high-tech fiberglass materials. The manufacturer has also updated many components, surfaces, aerodynamics, easy access to maintenance, and low life cycle costs. This is a Ventrac SSV, or Sidewalk Snow Vehicle. It's a sleek and durable option for clearing snow from sidewalks. It was designed as a system that can handle any winter storm. The Tesmec 1475 XL Evo Chainsaw Trencher is a cutting-edge machine designed for efficient and precision trenching operations. The machine utilizes a high-performance chainsaw attachment specifically designed for trenching applications. The chainsaw trencher features a large, high-speed cutting chain that effectively slices through various types of soil, rocks, and other materials encountered during trenching. The chainsaw system allows for precise and controlled cutting depths, ensuring accurate trench dimensions and reducing the need for additional excavation. A compost tedder is a special equipment used for periodic mixing of the compost mass. This accelerates the composting process and improves the quality of the resulting compost. CT Model 718 is a highly efficient, economically feasible way of neutralizing various types of waste to produce compost and processed soil, as well as protecting soil, atmosphere, groundwater, and surface water from pollution. Vermeer is expanding its lineup of electric-powered processing equipment and introducing a new drum screen. This equipment will be an ideal choice for working with various types of materials, including compost, topsoil, and woody biomass. So this giant will be a great fit for companies involved in processing and dealing with organic materials. Excavation on the surface of a coal mine requires specialized equipment designed to efficiently and safely remove overburdened material and extract coal from the earth. One of the most common pieces of equipment used for coal surface excavation is a giant bucket wheel excavator. It's a massive piece of mining equipment that is used for excavation on the surface of a mine. It is one of the largest machines in the world and is capable of moving vast amounts of earth and rock. Chain trenchers are used in a variety of applications, including laying pipelines, installing underground utilities, and digging drainage ditches. They are capable of excavating trenches of various depths and widths, depending on the specific requirements of the project. Liebherr mining excavators are highly efficient and powerful machines designed for heavy-duty mining operations. These excavators have advanced hydraulic systems that deliver high torque and digging force, making them capable of handling even the toughest mining applications. They also have comfortable cabs with state-of-the-art controls and safety features that ensure operator safety and ease of use. The Crawler Excavator Atlas is a versatile machine that is widely used in forest production. It is a powerful, heavy-duty excavator that is designed to handle tough terrain, making it ideal for use in the forest. The machine can be used to clear a path through the forest, removing trees, rocks, and other obstacles as necessary. It can also be used to level the ground and create a smooth surface for vehicles to travel on. The Overassen TV1000 is a powerful snow removal machine that is capable of clearing large amounts of snow quickly and efficiently. This snowblower is equipped with a powerful engine and features a self-propelled design, which allows it to easily navigate through heavy snow and challenging terrain. Big Bud is the biggest tractor in the world. It was designed to tackle the biggest farming jobs, such as plowing vast fields of wheat, corn, or soybeans. Its massive size and power allow it to cover large areas quickly, saving farmers valuable time and resources. In addition to its impressive engine, Big Bud is equipped with oversized tires that allow it to navigate rough terrain and reduce soil compaction, ensuring minimal damage to crops. The Liebherr A922 Rail Litronic is a versatile two-way excavator designed for railway construction and maintenance tasks. Manufactured by Liebherr, a renowned manufacturer of construction machinery, this specialized excavator combines the capabilities of a traditional excavator with the ability to operate on both standard roads and railway tracks. It is equipped with a unique undercarriage system that allows it to move smoothly and safely on railway tracks. It features specially designed rail wheels and axles, along with a hydraulic leveling system, which ensures stability and precision during railway operations. The Crawler Bulldozer Case 1650L is a powerful and versatile piece of heavy equipment designed for earth moving and construction tasks. It features a durable undercarriage and a powerful engine, making it ideal for demanding jobs in tough environments. The operator's cab is spacious and comfortable, with plenty of room to move and a range of features designed to make work easier and more efficient. Liebherr truck-mounted concrete pumps with innovative outriggers are incredibly advanced machines. The main feature lies in the presence of 4 swiveling outriggers, which ensures maximum flexibility and a vast range of boom rotation supported by a narrow configuration. This can be crucial when working on construction sites with limited access. Friends, we present an all-electric mulcher with remote control. This model has a battery power of 10 kilowatts with the most innovative MNC lithium manganese cobalt batteries. These characteristics are enough to keep the technique running for 3 to 5 hours without respite, depending on the working conditions. With a 220-volt charger, the battery charging time is only 6 hours. The intelligent BMS controls the optimal power consumption of the batteries. The Caterpillar D11T bulldozer is a true monster, capable of crushing even the most powerful car to pieces. It's all thanks to its 850 horsepower engine that the engineers have bestowed upon it. By the way, the Acer technology allows optimizing the performance of this engine, increasing fuel efficiency and reducing emissions in the atmosphere. Moreover, the modern electronic equipment installed on the model makes the new bulldozer easier to operate. The Becker 288 is the largest machine in the world, and it's even been included in the Guinness Book of Records. This machine can extract hard coal deposits, dig trenches for oil pipelines, and large engineering systems with ease. If standard bulldozers and excavators were used for these purposes, the process would take several months, but the Becker can complete similar tasks in just a couple of days. Here it is, the latest innovation. Introducing the highly efficient DMW 220 dual-motor rotary cutter for sewer construction from Chemrock, with a 1,000mm cutting wheel and submerging capability. This equipment can be used in medium hard rock formations and even reinforced concrete. The Stair SBF 24-6 is a versatile soil stabilization machine used for a range of applications in construction, mining, and road building industries. It's designed to effectively mix and stabilize soil and other materials, ensuring a solid foundation for building and paving projects. The machine is equipped with a powerful rotor that is capable of mixing soil, gravel, and other materials to a depth of up to 600 millimeters. Today, we'll show you the concept of a new model of scraper, which is distinguished by a narrow frame with a width of only 3.63 meters. The bucket capacity of such a machine with a cap is 23 meters cubed, which is also important. For the new brainchild, company K-Tech used many innovative solutions, including a set of power transmissions. The designers also included a concealed hose routing inside the bucket side walls and a curved ejector end. And the fact that this scraper has been designed to work closely with Rockback's 38-ton tractor makes it incredibly productive and efficient. The hydraulic tree spade with a fixed frame that you see on your screens is perfectly suited for small mini loaders. The machine is equipped with specialized blades that facilitate digging and compacting the root ball, required for cleaner and more viable transplants. A real gem, I must say. The Robot Dog Spot by Boston Dynamics has pushed the boundaries of modern technology. It took 10 years to develop this wonder tech, and now Spot has evolved from a prototype to a fully functional experimental robot. It can walk, climb, and crawl. We all agree, its design is impressive. Now its creators are testing Spot to enable it to develop various fun applications. The Caterpillar 797F off-highway truck is a colossal and highly capable machine that has solidified its place as one of the largest and most powerful trucks in the world. Its rugged and robust construction, coupled with a powerful engine, allows it to tackle the most challenging terrains and operate under extreme conditions typically encountered in mining applications. While the 797B Cat is a highly capable and reliable truck, the 797F represents the next generation of Caterpillar's off-highway trucks, with advancements in payload capacity, engine technology, drivetrain efficiency, and operator comfort. Do you need to effectively control all kinds of pests? But you have a huge agricultural area and you don't know how to reduce the time required for this process. The Ultra Air Blast Sprayer is perfect for such purposes. And how it works and what you can expect. Just look at this. It's all self-explanatory, without words. The new RoboCut is based on a proven concept, innovation, and the most advanced technology to lead the market. The machine is rewarded with a 56 horsepower diesel engine, lower center of gravity, high slope capacity, and double safety arches. RoboCut provides maximum stability on any terrain thanks to its ideal 50-50 weight distribution. Royal IHC, a leading maritime engineering and technology company, has recently launched its innovative High Tracker Trencher, a cutting-edge solution for subsea cable and pipeline installation projects. This state-of-the-art trenching system offers advanced capabilities to enhance efficiency, accuracy, and productivity in challenging offshore environments. It combines the latest technological advancements with Royal IHC's extensive expertise in subsea engineering, delivering a versatile and reliable solution for trenching and burying cables and pipelines. High-power Caterpillar wheel loaders are distinguished primarily by their overall durability, ensuring maximum technical readiness over multiple service intervals. The design of the new 986K model incorporates the best solutions for reliability, performance, safety, operator comfort, serviceability, and sustainable development. It's simply a great find. This is a circular saw for wood chipping, designed specifically for sawing large wood. The maximum log diameter that this machine can cut is 70 centimeters. The maximum log length is 9 meters. With the help of this technology, people can prepare firewood for the winter very quickly. The Slagpot Taurus is designed with a high-quality steel frame and lined with heat-resistant materials, ensuring that it can withstand the extreme temperatures and harsh environments present in steel mills. The machine is equipped with wheels and can move easily around the plant, making it a highly efficient tool for transporting molten slag. The Warata HTH 625C 360 is a highly advanced and versatile harvester head designed for the forestry industry. It's specifically designed for use on wheeled or tracked harvesters, offering compatibility with a wide range of forestry machines. Its robust construction and high-quality components ensure reliability and longevity, even in demanding working conditions. The harvester head is engineered to withstand the rigors of intense forestry operations, providing a reliable solution for harvesting tasks. You might not have thought about it, but high-speed railway tracks need periodic cleaning from railway ballast. For this purpose, the high-performance RMW1500 machine is perfect. It measures 150 meters in length and can clean up to 1,500 meters cubed of ballast per hour. By the way, it removes the ballast with a special earth-moving chain, 35 centimeters in height. The cleaning width can be set between 4 and 5.5 meters. The Green Climber LV800 Pro is an innovative remote-controlled slope mower designed to tackle challenging terrains and steep slopes with ease. It's specifically designed for mowing and maintaining vegetation on steep slopes, hillsides, embankments, and other hard-to-reach areas. With its robust construction and powerful engine, this remote-controlled mower can efficiently navigate inclines of up to 60 degrees while delivering excellent cutting performance. The mower is equipped with a user-friendly remote control system that allows operators to maneuver the machine from a safe distance. In this video, you can witness the remarkable road rehabilitation project taking place on the A8 between Wendlingen and Gertheim, featuring the utilization of the Vogler equipment. As a distinguished entity in the construction industry, this company is renowned for its pioneering technology and exceptional machinery. Their unwavering dedication to excellence is exemplified by their extensive deployment of cutting-edge equipment, which not only transforms the construction process, but also establishes new benchmarks within the industry. The 282 horsepower crawler harvester truly combines a shortened upper body and narrow folding boom geometry. The result is high productivity and minimal cost per ton of logs processed. And what's more, thanks to the integrated harvester head, this model offers unrivaled uptime, especially when in contact with large logs. With its many advantages, this reach stacker offers high safety, efficiency, precision, and stability. The integrated operating system provides the loader with excellent performance. The engine, transmission, electrical, hydraulic, loading, and spreader safety systems are integrated in the CAN bus, which means that the entire working process is monitored in real time. Despite their size and complexity, bucket wheel excavators are designed to be highly reliable and durable. They are built to withstand harsh mining conditions and can operate for decades with proper maintenance and repair. With their massive size and impressive capabilities, bucket wheel excavators will continue to play a vital role in surface mining operations for years to come. Outstanding durability, built-in strength, agility, and speed makes this machine the best in its lineup. Nemo Track is powered by a Honda engine with 22 horsepower. The working depth is from 0 to 10 centimeters, with a working width of 100 centimeters. The productivity of the unit is about 6,000 square meters per hour. The Nemo is also ideal for working on beaches with large amounts of waste. The easiest way to remove the sod is to use a special Klassen cutter. Such a machine will save you hours of grueling work. They cut the turf in precise curves or straight lines. These cutters are very compact and maneuverable. Modern forest mulchers use a variety of cutting tools, such as fixed hammers or flail knives, to shred trees and other vegetation into small pieces. The mulching head, which is attached to a hydraulic arm, spins rapidly and chops the trees and brush into fine mulch. Whoever said that this technology is like Lego for adults was absolutely right. However, the engaging assembly of arch locks wouldn't be as exciting without the use of the arch lock system with a zipper fastener. Well, you know what I mean. Modern hedge trimming machines are highly efficient and reliable tools designed to trim hedges and shrubs quickly and easily. They're typically powered by electricity, gasoline, or batteries, and come in various sizes and shapes to suit different types of hedges and shrubs. No words needed here. The main thing is to watch the screen carefully. because in front of you is officially the fastest tractor in the world. JCP Fast Track reaches a top speed of 247.47 kilometers per hour, with an average speed of about 217.569 kilometers per hour. This tractor was specifically designed to achieve a world record. The versatile Optimus machine provides transportation of pallets up to 1,600 kilograms and effortless, precise, and cost-effective laying of concrete and natural stone elements weighing up to 140 kilograms. All of this is achieved thanks to built-in vacuum hose lifting technology. The main feature is its incredibly quiet autonomous operation for up to 7 hours without recharging. GXXD6 is the smallest piling rig in the market, designed to work in extremely tight spaces, limited headroom, and job sites difficult to access. It's equipped with a powerful engine and hydraulic system that provide high torque and speed, allowing it to drill through even the toughest soil and rock formations. It is now extremely easy to harvest olives and almonds. All you need to do is to buy a special machine from Afron and then shake the trees well to catch the harvest. Ideal for gardens with a minimum trunk clearance of half a meter. The technique copes perfectly with young and already mature trees that use mechanical hedging. This is a so-called green climber, a machine designed for forestry and dense vegetation. The mower is enclosed in a frame that protects its hydraulics and components from falling branches and debris. The 75 horsepower diesel engine on this machine is the largest in its class and does not require regeneration or DEF treatment to meet emission standards. The Big Green Tree Machine is a versatile piece of machinery that's designed for tree removal and land clearing. With its powerful jaw, the machine can grip and cut through trees up to 20 meters tall in just a matter of minutes, making it a valuable tool for both commercial and residential use.
Additionally, please remember to share, like, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest uploads. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.